Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing the Xiaomi 17T Pro and the Poco F8 Ultra, and honestly, both bring serious flagship energy. On paper, the Xiaomi 17T Pro focuses on balanced performance, cleaner software experience, and strong camera tuning. Meanwhile, the Poco F8 Ultra is all about raw power, aggressive gaming performance, and a more value-packed price tag. In real-world use, both feel fast, but the Poco pushes harder in gaming, while the Xiaomi feels more refined for everyday tasks. If you care about long-term software polish and camera consistency, Xiaomi wins, but if performance per dollar matters, Poco takes it. Honestly, I'd pick the Xiaomi for balance, but gamers will definitely lean toward Poco. Let me know which one you'd choose in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons like this. Overall, both phones are solid, but your choice depends on whether you prioritize camera quality and polish or raw speed and gaming performance at the price point.